To shine on Google Play, your app must perform consistently, effortlessly, and seamlessly. Your app performance plays an important role in delighting users. A bad experience can make people stay away. Sometimes it's easier to show than tell. So get ready to put yourself in your users' shoes. Here are 5 performance issues to avoid and how to handle them. Number 1, never interrupt your user experience. Frustrating, huh? Unlike what just happened, an app should not interrupt the user journey by freezing or crashing. To avoid these problems, check the Google Play Console pre-launch report to identify stability issues. After deployment, pay attention to the Android Vitals metrics in the Google Play Console, and use the A&R troubleshooting guide to diagnose and resolve any application not responding issues. Your app must be robust and reliable. Number 2. Well, this is awkward. Oh, finally! Don't make people wait. When an experience takes too long, users can get distracted, bored, and inclined to abandon you. Loading time is really important. Android Vitals helps improve your app's performance by alerting you via the Play Console when your app's startup times are excessive. An app that loads quickly tends to have more business success. Number 3, frame rendering matters. Well, as you saw, visual experiences that stall or act sluggishly can negatively impact the way users perceive your app performance. Aim to render frames every 16 milliseconds to achieve 60 frames per second. But remember, there are devices with faster refresh rates. To monitor performance as you test, check the profile HWUI rendering in the monitoring section from your Android device developer options. Also, always deliver a smooth visual experience. Number 4, be careful of outdated third-party SDKs. Okay, this needs a cleanup. Outdated SDKs can put your app performance and security at risk. Make sure that Google and third-party SDKs are always updated, and that improvements in their stability, compatibility, or security are available to your app users as fast as possible. Use Google SDKs powered by Google Play services. These SDKs are backward compatible, receive automatic updates, reduce your app package size, and make efficient use of on-device resources. Remember, you are responsible for the entire code base, including for any additional SDKs you may use. Number 5. Oh no! Don't let your app drain your user's battery. When a user realizes an app is draining their battery, they will consider uninstalling it. Your app can drain battery through stuck partial wake locks, excessive wake-ups, background Wi-Fi scans, or background network use. To prevent that, use the Android Studio Energy Profiler with planned background work to diagnose unexpected battery use. Also, use Work Manager. It's a battery-friendly Android Jetpack library that runs deferrable, guaranteed background work when the work's constraints are satisfied. If you follow these tips, you will make your user proud to have your app on their device. Energized to start? In the description, you can find links to tools and resources to help you optimize your app performance and delight users. Also, visit the Android App Excellence webpage for case studies, articles, and much more. Thanks for watching!